time is... Oh, boy, I'm not gonna make it. Oh. Hey! What do you know? Oh, wait. You know, maybe we should get Soylent to sponsor a video.
Yeah, but, you know, I'm not exactly fully awake or aware or live at this point. Since when is the sun ever over there?
Asman, I think we just got here when they just changed the time. How do you feel about that?
Oh. How disappointing. Smells like weed. Kind of.
It's disappointing.
Yeah, disappointing.
Right. Lunchtime it is, and with that good cold look. Oh, Alvin, this looks beautiful.
Are you focusing in and out?
Yeah, you should see what effect this has. It's crazy. Alvin, try your cold brew. Yes.
That is a mix between... That is sour but creamy.
That is a very interesting texture.
It does have that coffee
Aesthetic, but it's very smooth. Just like Nitro is. It's very, very smooth.
Watch. And like watch over here.
Oh, it's so cool.
It's like snow. More. You want some?
No, I'm gonna done with mine in like a second. We're best going to the bathroom before we leave. Asrin, you are pretty much the chillest dude I've ever met right now. Just Nitro and the baguette.
I feel like having one though, just because it's sweet.
All right, so you want to go apply for more jobs?
Yeah.
let's just solidly apply for jobs now. Just like, this is what this trip is all about. Just applying for jobs. We were working on applying to the Starbucks. We're gonna go to, we're gonna go to Top Pot now. They do coffee too.
More money. Money.
Yeah, let's do it. Chill out the wind, Asrin.